Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where Quincy Hall wins the gold in men's 400 meter for the USA in an epic comeback. Paris Olympics 2024, where Quincy Hall delivered the comeback of all comebacks to win the men's 400 meters at the 2024 Summer Olympics, where the American looked like he would finish nowhere close to the medal stand through the first 300 meters, but he exploded down the final stretch to win another gold medal for Team USA in track and field. Check out, guys, it is the must-watch gold-winning moment.